Wisconsin Central. All right. Tank cars, 1789. I think that's hydrochloric acid. Lumber cars here, fully loaded. Milepost 474. The Palmdale cutoff, blue cut, Cajon Pass. That big hole you see in front of me is the San Andreas Fault. This is where Lone Pine Canyon starts. And it runs up about 20 miles to my right towards Wrightwood, California. What a beautiful day out here in Railpan. Look at these beautiful boxcars. Big pieces of lumber there. Smells like pine forest. Beautiful train there. Love those old box cars. Yep, you can see for miles out here. The train's a good mile away down there. Going through Keenbrook. That road you see on the left is Route 66. Alright, rail fans, Cajon Pass. Please like, follow, share to my Instagram page and YouTube channel. Thanks for sharing that with me, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, rail fans, Cajon Pass. I think we had a power move there. Looks like they were moving some engines around. Train is going pretty fast though. There's the famous Mormon rocks there. Nice manifest train. Those big tank cars are 1993, it looks like. 1902. 1202. Nice old box cars here. I'm going to get a good view of the Mormon rocks through these bulkheads going by. A little bit of everything. Boxcars, bulkheads, gondolas, coil cars, some scrap metal there. What's that? 3475 on the tank car. Some big hoppers. We're done. Say goodbye to Freddie, and we're done. We're out of here. All right, real fans, Cajon Pass. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe to my Instagram page and YouTube channel. We're having a good time. Let's keep it going. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.